This afternoon, I want to create Zanzibar in my home. So everyone is going to make their own food by themselves. Yes, I have my baskets here with aubergine, with plantain, with egg. I have chicken. I have meat. I have potato, mini ones, mini potato, and I have different sauces and spread. So everyone is going to make their own thing by themselves. We are going to use this. We're going to use this, and every one of us will have this mini tray with their own mini spatula to create that goodness. So join us as we have fun as a family, and let's cook together. Peace out.
Let's go. Oh my goodness. One just fell on the floor. One just fell.
Don't put it in, Diane.
Daniel, can you bring spoon? You see, you put spices and then you put some oil. Samuel, come and focus on the potato.
So like this.
Yes.
Fry it.
Thank you. So, Daniel, go and bring some other bowls that will mix all the other things like meat. Daniel.
Wait, say stop, I'll stop it.
Stop. Someone, can you stop all this now?
What is there? Pack all these toys away.
Some of them are going to use. Papa, can you help?
Help. Now.
Wait. Everybody.
A woman of grace, determination, full of courage and perseverance. She's an inspiration to generations, promoting unity among sisterhood. She's so resilient. She's an encouragement to other women in the world, empowering others to become leaders. She's a wonderful woman, an emblem of grace. Opeyemi Esther Alabi. Your life is a testimony to generations. Opeyemi Esther Alabi. Your life is a
It's Diane's first time to eat egg.
Resilience, determination, courage, perseverance, inspiration, support, unity, encouragement, sisterhood, empowerment. Oh, your life is a testimony
That is what we use to turn over. Go and bring that tongue. I want to use it to turn that this.
What?
Getting cooked.
Doesn't even matter which one you have.
Okay.
That's okay.
I'm not yet done with one. You're already asking for another one.
Papa, I want to do. Yeah, that's what I also want. Papa. Oh, hot.
Yeah.
What should I do with this? Oh my goodness! Even drink it. What was it? What? Oh. Mama!
I just want to say.
Mama, when?
Mama?